guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got something big. The super colossal Giganotosaurus. It's got a gold eye. So first thing I realized is that it can move its top jaw and its bottom jaw. And I already made it swallow a figure, so I need it back now. First, on the back, apparently it says it can swallow up to 20 mini dinosaurs. Cut. Would have been easier if I had a knife. There you are. And this is my very first super colossal dinosaur. I know a bunch about them all though, so yeah. I didn't know it had that tail. Yeah. Did it? Ah, right. Come on. Reload. Once you put on these legs, you can't take them off. It's so hard to open. No one is hands. That's the wrong side. Very loud. First thing I've realized about it is that it's really annoying to put together. Second thing I've realized about it is that it's really annoying to put together. Third thing I've noticed about it is that it's really heavy. Fourth thing, hands are rubber, face is rubber, teeth are rubber, and for some reason here and here is rubber. As well as here. Oh, soft plastic, I guess. It's not really rubber. It's more like soft plastic. This is something I prepared earlier. So, as every single one of the super colossals do, you can have a Spider-Man flying down, tries to spin a web, and then realizes that his web shooters are empty, and then he can also be like, he needs another one, so he can just go down like and then just chomp a guy off the floor. And then just be like, just traveling with the Lord. And then once he's done with that meal, it's Spider-Man, and it's these two again. It's fairly large. It's the biggest predator that ever walked the earth. It's got weird hands that you can make it when he's in the box look like he's putting his hand out like that. You can tilt his head, move the bottom jaw and top jaw. Of course, the whole entire head, bottom and top jaw is rubber. and teeth even more rubber. Yes, finally we can actually have a dinosaur that can actually do this. Look at that. No hands. Into the mouth. Not into the mouth. Into the mouth. And then hatch. Open up. Get out. Reload. I think it's like a super good dinosaur. I don't understand why they had to switch between really hard plastic to really soft plastic to really hard plastic to sort of soft plastic. Then they did it here as well. Overall, I love the head sculpt. Love the gold eyes. It's kind of weird though. It's like it actually makes you think that you're holding like a compy or raptor or something like that. That's how big it is. Anyway, I think it's a pretty good looking dinosaur. It's got... Wish that they put like a tiny little hole. Wait, did they even? Oh no, it does. Anyway, maybe someone just put a pin in it. Whatever. It's a beautiful dinosaur. And I think that's it. So, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. I can't remember what it is. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.